Namaskar. December, January is the time of cough and different kinds of disorders related with the breathing circuit. We are presenting a good herbal combination which is known as Abhayadi Churnam. And in this Abhaya Churnam, the leader is Abhaya, which is nothing but Haritaki, terminalia chabula 50 gram, 12 gram clove powder, 12 gram cardamom powder, 12 gram dry ginger powder, 12 gram pepper powder. Mix all the powders well. Take 3 gram powder with a half glass hot powder 3 times per day. Consuming 3 times for a few days will heal all the bad cough, throat, breathing circuit related problems.